If you want to create ads with AI, then you are on right video. I am on UGCVideo.ai. This is AI tool that let us create ads, videos, and images within minutes.
These are some of the tools you can use in UGCVideo.ai.
Stop hiring expensive actors. Use AI UGC video generator to generate realistic talking head videos, commercial ads, and TikTok creatives. Simply type text or paste your product URL. Let's test this AI tool, whether it's worth using or not. If you're new to channel, then like and subscribe to stay updated with new informative content.
Without wasting time, let's get started. I am on UGCVideo.ai. You have to create an account first. After login, this is the dashboard we see. It has features such as complete ads video, realistic avatars, and generating images and videos that can be further used. It has a lot of image, video character templates. We can customize and use these templates for our own product and videos we want to create.
Wait, you're still typing emails manually? And constantly forgetting what matters? Look, if you don't remember.
Let's use all features one by one, starting from UGC character. It has 4 options: start from character, describe your character, build your character, and influencer generator. In start from image, we have to simply put our image which we want to generate our character of. I want to create a wrestling character, so I have used the image of wrestler Undertaker's picture. After uploading image, give the name to your character, write background story. It's optional. In the end, select the AI model which you want to use. I want to go with Nano Banana Pro, so I will select this. Click on Generate, and our character will be ready within a minute, which we can further use to make our ads. This looks good. Quality is also great. Now describe character. In this, we have to write a prompt to generate our character. Rest of the setting are same. I will fast forward the video from here. Our second character is also ready and 2 variations. Both are ready to use. Similarly, build the character feature is also similar to previous. Select the style of character, select the model, give prompt, and characters are ready. It's really simple to use and create whatever we want. I am on image ads creation. This feature allows us to create and display and promote our product to any influencer, celebrity, or any character we want. We can use the templates. I will upload the reference product which we want to promote. After this, we add character which will promote this product. At last, we have to give prompt for better visually describe what we want to create. I have written a prompt with AI and pasted here. Click on Generate and wait for a few seconds. Our image is ready. The results are amazing. It's looking realistic. I have created another version with different character. Its precision is good every time. Results were smooth and high quality. UGC ads video. This feature allows us to generate AI videos within minutes. It has top models like Kling 3.0, Seedance 2.0, and Seedance 2.0 fast. I will select Kling for this creation. Its process is almost similar. Upload the product image, upload the character image which you want in Vide. Give the prompt. I have used ChatGPT for prompt because the more better the prompt, the best results we will get. Select aspect ratio and quality as you need. I will go with 720p quality. Set the duration of video and click Generate. Wait for a minute and your own ad video will be ready.
Want to stay ahead with AI and technology? Discover powerful tools, smart tutorials, hidden tricks, and the latest innovations. Only on Jugaar Expert. Subscribe now. Tutorials, hidden tricks, and the latest innovations. Only on Jugaar Expert.
This is the ultimate premium shaker. It's not just a bottle, it's a statement piece.
You can use this for creating ads, videos, images, and many more. As we talk about pricing, it has 4 plans. Free plans give 30 credits after account creation. Creator plan, starting with $9.5, give 300 credits per month. The $24.5 Pro plan gives 1,000 credits per month. Scale with $100 per month offers 6,000 credits. First, try free version. If you like the creation and results of this AI, then go for the plan which best fits your budget and need. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.